Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an HP printer to a laptop. First, carefully unbox your new HP printer, ensuring all protective tapes and packing materials are removed. Next, connect the power cord securely to the printer and then plug it into a working wall outlet. Power on your printer using the designated button and load a stack of fresh paper into the input tray, typically holding around 100 sheets. For direct and reliable connection, use a USB cable. Make sure both your HP printer and laptop are powered on. Take a standard USB A to B cable. One end, usually the square-shaped one, goes into the printer's USB port, often located at the back. The other, rectangular end, plugs into any open USB port on your laptop. Your laptop should then automatically begin the detection process within a few seconds. Connecting wirelessly offers great flexibility. First, confirm both your HP printer and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your printer's control panel, navigate to the Wireless Setup menu. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks, then carefully enter your network password. The printer will then attempt to connect, usually displaying a confirmation message within about 30 seconds once successful. Once connected, you'll need the correct drivers. Visit the official HP support website and download the latest drivers specific to your printer model. Run the installer, following the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Finally, open a document on your laptop and perform a test print. This confirms everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, HP's website offers extensive troubleshooting guides to help you resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.